Good day, everyone. Learn how to switch mobile data connection from SIM 1 to SIM 2 or SIM 2 to SIM 1. It can be performed on any Android phone, whether you're using Samsung or any other company manufacturer phone. So, firstly, we need to go to the settings, and here in search, in the settings, search for SIM space manager. So, even if you type SIM, you will find SIM manager, and we will click on that SIM manager and then scroll down. And here you will find SIM manager. We will again click on that. You will find your SIM 1 and SIM 2. And just below that preferred SIMs, you can check the calls, message, and mobile data. So I'll just switch the mobile data to SIM 2, and this is how I'll be able to switch the calls, the message, the default calls, the default message, or the mobile data. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful